where did this whole truck emoji idea begin?
Dwayne Johnson, you know, The Rock, he had put out an Instagram post that said something, blah, 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 insert non-existent pickup truck emoji here. We started thinking to ourselves, there's got to be a pickup emoji.
The emoji proposal process is supposed to be meritocratic. Give priority to ideas that demonstrate global demand. The agency got to work drafting a formal proposal for the mysterious organization vested with the power to decide which emoji ideas live and which ones die.
The emoji illuminati.
Among the latest batch of new emojis is an unassuming little blue pickup truck. Pickup truck.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for, the truck emoji.